Good morning. This is our first day of our online journey for the rest of the school year. So I wanted to take just a few minutes and explain how this will be handled in my class. Each teacher, it will be different, so you'll have to figure that out with each of your teachers. So I had I sent an email to you on April 7th, and I sent a follow-up on April 9th. There are still several of you I have not heard anything from, and I really need to hear from you so that I can let the district know that you have internet access at home and that you have your Chromebook. So that's really important that you respond to that and let me know. So in that email, I had originally talked about my office hours, and I have to make a change to that because I didn't realize Mr. Palmer had already established office hours based on our departments, and so that none of the teachers are overlapping. So the math department, which means my office hours, will be Tuesdays from 9 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. and it will also be on Thursday from 2 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. So there's a morning session on Tuesdays, an afternoon session on Thursdays. And just so you know, I am available anytime by email. I check my email throughout the day. So if you have a question or concern or comment, then please, feel free to email me anytime. So here's how things are going to work for Intermediate Algebra 2. So on Mondays, I'm going to post the work for the entire week. There will be a post on the stream that will explain the order that you should do things and how you should turn things in. So please make sure that you're reading that and then you're doing the assignments. So everything will be graded as credit or no credit from this point on. Your semester grade will be figured using what we did in the fourth marking period and what we did in the fifth marking period up through March 13th. Anything that was done between March 16th and April 10th will not be counted in your grade. Some of you did the ALEKS, so I gave you credit for that. I gave you full points for that. That will only help your grade. If you did not do it, I'm not going to count it against you for those 3 weeks. But moving forward, everything that we do now is counting toward your grade. So you need to make sure that you're staying on top of it if you want to get the credit at the end of this semester. So as I said, everything will be marked credit, no credit. Your semester grade will also be marked that way. So there are no letter grades that are going to be assigned for second semester. So this is a great opportunity for you to make sure that you're doing what you need to do to get your credit for this class. So grades aren't as important as actually doing the work and learning the material. So with that said, I am going to backtrack a little bit and I'm going to go back to quadratics, what we were working on before we were sent home for the stay-at-home order. So I'm going to back up all the way to solving quadratics by factoring, and then I'm going to move forward with that. So, there will not be an assignment every single day. So basically what happens is I post everything on Monday for the entire week. You have to get it all done by Sunday at midnight. So you have 7 days to work on that. Please don't wait until 5 o'clock Sunday afternoon to try to do all of it. That's just going to be way too overwhelming. So I have removed for now the ALEKS component where you had to do 10 topics and 20 minutes a day or an hour and 40 minutes a week. I have removed that, so I'm not going to ask you to do that. However, your assignments are going to be pushed out through ALEKS. So all of your assignments will be done in ALEKS. So you still need to log in and get to those. And I will post every week the order in which you should do things. So there'll be an instructional video that you need to watch, and then you'll need to log into ALEKS and do the work. If you do not have internet access at home, the district will be providing hard copies of the assignments, and those are going to be delivered to you somehow. I'm not exactly sure. They were still working out the details of how they were going to get those materials to you. So watch for that. And then once you do them, you're supposed to take a picture and upload that or email that picture to me. So if you are doing the work at home on a hard copy, finish it, take a picture of it, make sure I can see it, and make sure it's clear, and then upload that to or email that to me at my school email, which is sirish@phasd.us. Okay, so with that said, every Monday work will be pushed out. It will always be due by midnight on Sunday. So again, please, this is a great opportunity for you to be able to recover this credit even if you weren't passing fourth marking period. Some of you have a little bit of work to do because you fell way behind in fourth marking period. Don't fall behind now, because this is the time to be able to get that credit. All right, so I will end this recording for now, and I will post your assignments in Google Classroom on Monday. So thank you, and stay safe, and I miss seeing all of you, and maybe at some point we can maybe do a Zoom meeting or Zoom office hours, but I'll keep you posted on that as well. So have a good day, and do your work. Thanks.